AI apps, they are not just a technological advancement, but these are tools that enhance human capabilities in the various domains. AI apps are transforming how we interact with technology and making it more intuitive and responsive to our needs. The first app is called Answer.AI. Answer.ai is an app designed to assist with academic studies. It features AI technology that helps users to identify informative and solve problems across various subjects. This app can scan problems from textbooks or notes. Also, this app offers help in almost all subjects, including math and grammar. Also, this app provides step-by-step solutions which will enhance your understanding. The second app is Lens. Lens is an app that enhances mobile photography. This app turns your phone into a professional HD camera with the feature of DSLR. With this app, you can capture professional-looking photos. You can achieve professional results if you use this app on your mobile phone. So I recommend it. You must have it on your phone. Another app is Color Changer Camera app. Color Changer Camera app is an app that allows you to change the colors of objects in real time by using smartphone camera. This app provides a live customizable color lens. So if you are looking to explore a photograph and a videograph, this is a powerful tool that you can use to improve your photo experience and videographs.